We are absolutely thrilled that our institute has placed 500 plus students in companies where they earn an average of 4 lakhs per annum. This is a testament to the quality of education that we provide at Digital Scholar. We are preparing our students to be able to compete in the global marketplace, and this is just one more example of our success.
This average, in fact, is on par with the packages offered by IT companies in the country. So, who were the recruiters? What was the split, and how did the students manage to score high packages? Let's dive in to find out. Almost 2/3 of the students opted for startups and agencies to get better exposure, whereas 1/3 of the students opted for large tech and IT companies with an average salary of 3.2 lakhs per annum.
However, many students broke that average mark and got packages of more than 5.5 lakhs per annum plus, with Arpit Gupta cracking the highest package of 12 lakhs per annum, and also 10% of the students got into chief of staff roles like digital marketing head or marketing team lead in a lot of startups directly, even as a fresher. How interesting, right? The reason we say all of this is not to show off, it is to show what the power of good digital marketing training can do when you have a game plan and a curriculum and launch yourself in the digital world. Because the digital marketing industry is recession proof and future proof, which is only growing faster and faster by each year.
However, what we are most proud of is that a lot of students started their freelancing journey from the course with an average of 40,000 a month while they were at Digital Scholar. We have 20-year-old like Shreya, who cracked 65,000 per month as a Google Ad freelancer, Karishma, who cracked 1 lakh per month as a freelancer, and many others. And most importantly, a lot of business owners scaled up their business 10x while they were at Digital Scholar, like Uma Madhavi, who cracked rupees 80 lakhs from a content marketing training institute, Vivek Mandari, who cracked 1.5 crore plus in a year selling his adventure sports company in Rishikesh with the help of Instagram. So do you want to know how we were able to compete with the top B schools and other digital marketing institutes and come up with such staggering success stories for students from our programs? The 3 biggest factors are:
Number 1, long-term objective. We focus on the mindset of the students because we believe mindset is about 80% and skills are about 20%. You can be the greatest Facebook ads marketer, but if you don't have the right values, vision and mindset, it's hard for anyone to prosper in any field for that matter. And we inculcate a tremendous mindset shift in students about money right from the first class.
Number 2, skills. We focus on practical learning with gamification. Our assignment completion ratio is at staggering 90% completion rate, which means students learn and implement during and after the class. They get active feedbacks too. All the students built their own websites and did SEO for them, ran ads for Facebook and Google, and got confidence in what works for the industry.
Number 3, soft skills development. Our method of cracking interviews is very unique. We take the approach of interviewing the recruiters instead of recruiters interviewing the students. This process has helped many students get over 5 to 6 job offers at once, and it's uniquely designed to instill confidence in students. Our alumni have set very high standards by all terms, and it's up to the upcoming students to keep the ball rolling and continue the legacy of Digital Scholar. We wish they outshine their counterparts.
Are you ready to take up the challenge and grow? Come join Digital Scholar now.